Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some elegant glam crystal home decor items. So what you're going to need some of this bulk rhinestone embellishment pack. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now you're also going to need some of this silver glitter, and this is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need you could use 4 tumblers, or you could use 4 stemless wine glasses, whichever you choose. And I have some Mod Podge, so you'll need some of that as well. I have a little paint brush from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using hot glue on this project. If you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. If I decide to use any additional items, I will also link those in the description box below for you as well. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these elegant crystal home decor pieces turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make. Now you could use these right down the center of a wedding table or a special event. Make any number of them and put some floating candles in them. Wouldn't that be beautiful? You could use these as candy dishes. You could use them on a vanity tray in a bathroom. Put some cotton balls, Q-tips, things like that in there. These are really versatile pieces. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.